How to make 5,000 naira or more every day without investment or capital. I know most times some people on my YouTube channel doesn't really like when you bring up website that say invest to do this or invest to earn this. They just want a risk-free kind of investment. I don't know, a risk-free kind of way to earn money. And I've been searching a lot and I came across this website which I believe is exactly what you are looking for or what you've been looking for, if you are that type of person within my subscriber or within my audience. So in this video, you're going to learn how to perform simple tasks every day and you can earn money for yourself. And you don't have to be scared. You don't need a VPN to do this. This is allowed in Nigeria and other parts of the world. So straight and direct to the point, let me jump onto my computer screen. And don't forget, you can as well do it on your phone, okay? And let me show you all the steps you need to take, okay? Including how to sign up, how to perform the tasks, how to also withdraw your money. So straight and direct to the point, the name of this website is Juma Workers, and the sign up link to this website will be in my YouTube video description, okay? And it is also showing on your screen right now. But before you rush to go and sign up, kindly be patient to understand exactly how to make money on this website. So once you are here, click on sign up. And you can see the sign up details, very simple, nothing complicated. First name, last name, email address, username, password, select your gender. This is the referral code. Don't change this, just leave it the way it is, okay? And then you agree to these terms. So let me just fill this up right away and then we continue this video. Okay, right now you can see that I've filled up all my details, and what do? Agree to Juma Workers terms and privacy policy, and then click on what? Sign up. So if you look now, you will see check your email for confirmation. Okay, so let me log into my email. This is my email and it is right here. Now if you don't see this email right here, please come down to spam. Check your spam folder to know if it is there. But my own is right in my inbox, so I click on it, and then this is the activation code, so I click on it to activate my account. Congratulations, you can log in. So let me log in real quick. Okay, so I've logged in right now and you can see something interesting. And the first thing you can see is, take a look at this place. 171 jobs available to you. You can see this is my account and I already have 171 jobs waiting for me. And now let us just take a look at the kind of jobs that is available here. Look at this. BYTELI blah blah blah, download, install and execute. This is where you can download app, okay, and install. You get, if you are the type that don't really like downloading stuff online, you may avoid this kind of ones, but if you want, you can still do it, especially if this stuff is on Play Store, okay, or App Store, then you can actually do it. Then know that it's safe. Okay, you can see easy tax, map reviews, 10 cents. Look at this, 10 cents, 10 cents. You can see. Then look at this. You can see Snapchat plus reports. Look at this, complete online tax, instant pay, 15 cents. Okay, you can see. And if you look here, you will see work done. They want 25 people. 0 out of 25 has done it. This is 1 out of 25 people. You can see the level of completion that is getting to. If it becomes like 60, look at this. This one is almost getting completed. You get. And then right from here, add the profile picture, edit your profile and all that. Okay. Let's go to settings. If you come to settings, I also recommend that you verify your phone number. Okay. So right now, let's complete one task. Okay. So one of the ones that I like completing, that I like doing, is this one, fan, SEO and promote. Okay, but you can actually do anyone, but anyone at all. You can do anyone at all. But these are the kind of ones I like doing. Okay, so I click on it and I scroll down. You will see, go to here, go to this place, click on the link to visit this website. Read any 2 articles on the site and stay 3 minutes. Important, make sure you stay 3 minutes. You now see required proof that task was completed, URL link of any 2 articles you read, last sentence of the 2 articles you read. And also try to read the rules before you start. Make sure you're able to complete the task before, make sure you read all this. So now let's go to this website real fast. I select it and then I click on go to this place. And remember, it says what? Stay 3 minutes. Read any 2 articles on the website and stay 3 minutes. Okay, so now we come here. Let's scroll a little bit down and how to choose an ideal business niche. So I click on this and look at the time. Okay, so I've spent 3 minutes here and don't close this yet. You know, we need this link. Okay, yes, we need this link. And let's go to the website again. And I can click on this one. I can click on this one and look at the time, 5:30. So we spend at least 3 minutes here. So by 5:33, that is when I will complete this task. Okay. So the time has elapsed right now. Now I've been engaging right here. You can see the final sentence, the final word. This is the final sentence right here. So it's now time to submit. So you can see required proof that task was completed, URL link of any 2 articles you read, last 2 sentences of the 2 articles you read. Now it says what here? Answer every proof in a new line. So I get the first URL that I read. Then I get the second URL. Yes. Okay, so now the last sentence for this is it. This is the last sentence for this. And I put it here. And for this guy, this is the last sentence. And that should be it. So I click on submit proof. You can see task completed successfully. Okay. Now, if you click view task details, you can see I've submitted this. So it is waiting to be verified. And once it gets verified, I'm going to get my pay here. You can see it. My pay is going to come here. Look at this. It's saying what? Pending amount 0.03. Okay, that's 3 cents. Completed task 1. Okay, so that is how it works. You can as well get to this point from here. When you come to this place and you click on completed task, you come to this point, come to this place. Okay, now to withdraw funds, you don't need to deposit. If you want to advertise, then you can. If you want to advertise or post a job, you cannot deposit funds. Now let's say you want to withdraw, you can click on request withdrawal. You can see available for withdrawal, not yet. Okay, because I'm saying, and now look at here. Kindly note that withdrawals are processed within 10 business days. You have to have a minimum of $6 before you can request a withdrawal. So when you get to $6, you can request your withdrawal and it will be processed within 10 business days, meaning that it can be between 1 business day or 2 business days within 10 business days. Okay, now you can see what that you can withdraw through Skrill. The fee is 7%. You can withdraw through Ethereum crypto, 7%. You can withdraw through PayPal too. You can withdraw through Litecoin. So there are several ways or multiple ways for you to withdraw. Okay, so that is how simple it is. Okay, and I talked about the referral. You can also get your referral link from here, and you can refer your friends and family and relatives and everybody. And when they join you, you can earn $2 when they start working here. Okay. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really appreciate you. If you gained any value in this one, kindly give me a thumbs up. If you did not, smash this like 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. Do kindly share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms so that other people can gain true value just like the way you've gotten. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.